Hello guys, how are you today? Today we will have a new lesson and our lesson for today is a story. I hope that you like stories. I like stories very much. Okay, so let's have a look. What's this? Yes, for sure this is the cover of the story and there is a name for each story. So let's know what is the name of this story. Can you read with me? Yes, super. So the name of the story is Baking a cake. Cake. Baking a cake. Super. So the title of our story is baking a cake. Okay. Eve and Kate like to make cakes. They make them all the time. They make a cake for mom. Eve wants to make a pink cake. Kate wants to make a green cake. A green cake. So Eve wants to make a pink cake and Kate wants to make a green cake. Mom likes pink, says Eve. Mom likes green, says Kate. Pink, says Eve. Green, says Kate. Dad is at home. He tells them, we have a rule. We do not yell. What is the meaning of yell? To scream. Yell is to scream, okay? Eve and Kate are sorry. They say that they will be good. They make a cake. They make a cake. It is green on one side and pink on one side. Wow, it will be a great cake. So, we have finished for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. See you soon.